Right, I'm gonna have a go at this YouTube shit. And to start off, I'm reviewing, well not reviewing, unboxing an Evolution stand and an Evolution saw. Now, some might say they're not really what you call tradesman usable, as in, you know, you're not, fuck off. Take two. Right, basically, I'm unboxing today the Evolution stand and the Evolution saw. Now, some might say they're not really a tradesman tool as they're more of a DIYer, and you know, you're probably right, but I needed a sliding saw and I wasn't going to go and shell out for a Mitre or something more pricier for the fact that I don't want to spend 600 quid for the fact that I only need it for one job for now. So anyway, let's get this underway.
First off is this. Now to be fair,
I've always wanted one of these rolling stands, but I've never justified buying one for the fact that I always just use my sawhorses and a plank of wood. But if you want to know the actual model number, yeah.
You got that? Wait a minute. Put that in dents. Put it so compact. Looks like you've got to put it together yourself like a Lego job. I'm going to make you watch it or I'll probably edit this. I don't mind, weigh some. Looks like it. I guess another box. I'll get the box out of it. Never like seeing the Reddit in the box. Instructions. Right, first off, make sure I've got all the pieces. So I've got two of them. Two of them that are already in there. Two of the rollers. Two of them. Right, I ain't going to go through all that, but... So two of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, but what is it at the minute? I can't see them little pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, I'll put it together and I'll find out if I've lost them. Right, so step 1, fold the leg out. Fold the leg out. And to do that, I guess is then. To be fair, that's a nice tight lock in that. You wouldn't expect that something that costs £49.99. Some of these cheap ones at Charlie's or somewhere like that for £100, and if you're really flimsy, that's something you've got to balance an expensive saw on.
Right, I just cut the tape to see if I could find the bits that that obviously I can't seem to see it within the stuff. Right, it's telling me to stick some plastic chunk of shit on there, and I can tell you for nothing now, I ain't got them chunks of plastic. Which is fucking highly annoying. Oh, I don't know. Right, I'm going to put it together anyway, fuck it. And I ain't swearing no more, because obviously I tend to swear quite a lot during anything. And I think if I want to make this channel a little bit more user friendly, and I want to make it more where people can watch it without having to turn it down because there's kids about, I'm gonna try my best not to swear. Now, if you're watching this video and you've come across it because you've seen a load of other videos of mine, then no explanation needed. But if you just come across this and it's the first video you've watched because it's the first one I've uploaded, and you're wondering what this channel is going to be about, it's going to be about everything to do with wood, workshop stuff. You know, I don't tend to spend all my time in here, but when I am in here, I do enjoy watching YouTube channels. I do enjoy watching some of the people, what they upload and what they make. And to be fair, if I look back over the last 12 months of stuff I've made in here, I know I'd be interested in watching it, so that's what's made me want to do this. So let's just hope I get some interesting stuff that needs making over the next 12 months. And yeah, I'm chatting on a bit, and I'm chatting shit a bit, and chatting. But I guarantee you, as I do this more and more and get a bit more confidence, I'll be fine. But now I'm just starting out, aren't I? Right, so then go on there like that. You can see that, can't you? And then you stick a little lug on there. Right, so if you can see that, everything is tightened up on that now. See, that's the thing with instructions. That's me. I never ever read anything. If I look at the instructions, which is rare, I tend to just literally mosey through the pictures and the figurations or whatever they are. So you go in that way first, push them on, lock them down, and that's solid, to be fair. Alright, so that's the stand. As you can see, they go on pretty tight, they lock down. And I'm assuming when you've got the saw on, you just pull off. Yeah, I like that. These seem a little bit flimsy, but the sliding in and out sound. Right, that's our next review. Unboxing review. Now, I've always owned Mitre tools, and obviously I've got a small Mitre there, but the actual sliding Mitre saw I had broke, and I'm not paying £600–700 for a new one just to do one jobber. So for now I'll use this, and I'll give it a little review now and let you know what they're like. Yeah, so now, to be fair, I think the stand was pretty much going to be acceptable no matter which way you look at it, because it is just a piece of metal. And to be fair, for £49, I thought that was a real good price. Now this, I'm hoping, is quite spot on, because I only need it for one job, but obviously if it was absolutely crap, you know, to the point of it's only good for cutting studs or carcassing, then I would be disappointed. Oh no. Is that ever a good sign for accuracy when you get the rail in the box? That's why they're so cheap, because they ain't paying someone to put them together. Oh god, it's like a circular saw. Look at that. You've literally got to build the whole caboot. Well, I can tell you for a start off, I ain't happy with that. It doesn't fill you with confidence, does it? Just a quick one. I've put it together now. And to be fair, it does pretty much go together pretty well, considering I moaned like hell that I couldn't put it together. And, in all fairness, feels alright for the money. But you know, we'll put it on the bench, try cutting some angles and some bits and bobs and see how well they go together. Right, so the video failed on me. I thought I'd press record, but I actually must have double tapped it and it stopped the video. So there's no actual assembly video of it working. There's tons of videos on YouTube showing exactly what you can and can't cut with it. And to be fair, it's right, it cuts everything you want to cut. It is pretty precise as far as cutting skirting, architraves and stuff. And to be fair, for £99 I think it's pretty much a bargain, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with it up to now, but 12 months time, who knows, it could turn into be a pile of shit. Anyway, get it.